Winter Adventures. Welcome back to Mango Reader. Today we are building up and heading to a magical snowy world with Tides Travels Winter Wonderland by Kelly Starling Lyons. Ty is about to experience the beauty and fun of winter and we're all invited to join him. Are you ready to play in the snow? Do you love winter? Building snowmen, having snowball fights, or even just watching the snow fall from the sky? Well, Ty is about to have a winter adventure that's filled with all kinds of frosty fun. Before we begin our winter journey, be sure to like this video if you love snow adventures and subscribe so you don't miss out on any exciting travels with Ty. Alright, let's grab our scarves and mittens and dive into the winter wonderland with Ty. Ty's Travels, Winter Wonderland. Ty runs to the window. He jumps up and down. It snowed! It snowed! Everything is wonderful. Ty grins at what he saw. It looked like his snow globe. He gets his globe and shakes it. Snowflakes float down. They cover the ground. A sign says North Pole. Ty runs upstairs. Can we go to the North Pole? Where? Mama asks. The North Pole, Ty says. Better bundle up, Mama says. Ty puts on his coat and hat. He grabs his gloves and sled. Mama, it's time to go, he calls. Ty's dog, Brownie, wiggles. Ty and Brownie can't wait. When Ty and Mom step outside, snowflakes float down. Flakes cover the ground. Ty, Mama and Brownie are at the North Pole. Everything is wonderful. The wind blows. Snow twinkles in the air. A snow pal waves at them. Ty and Mama wave back. Brownie barks hello. I hope we see Santa, Ty says. I don't know, Mama says. He's pretty busy. They walk and walk. Ty wishes and wishes. Look, Mama, Ty says. Christmas trees sparkle and sway. Polar bears sing. Ty wishes and wishes, but he doesn't see Santa. Toy soldiers march. Dolls dip and twirl. Ty and Mama dance too. Ty wishes and wishes, but he doesn't see Santa. Ty and Mama walk to the park. Ty shivers. He puts his head down. Want to go home? Mama asks. Ty is about to say yes. Then he hears laughter. Ty sees a hill. Kids fly down like jets. Whoosh! Brownie barks and wiggles. Ty grins and looks at Mama. She nods and smiles. Ty and Brownie sled. They fly down the hill. Whoosh! Snow twinkles in the air. Ty hears jingle bells. He sees reindeer and a sleigh. Santa's workshop. Elves point to a workshop. Ty's heart pounds. He wishes and wishes. Kids are lined up to meet Santa. At home, Ty gets his globe. He falls fast asleep. Everything is wonderful. Oh, what a snowy adventure that was. Ty really made sure the most of his winter wonderland day. Snowball fights, snow angels, rides and so much more. I hope you had as much fun as he did. What about you? If you could spend a day in winter wonderland, what would you do? Maybe build the biggest snowman ever or have the ultimate snowball fight? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your winter adventures. And guess what? Ty has even more incredible journeys ahead of him. What do you think his next adventure will be? Stick around to find out. If you had fun with Ty in his winter wonderland, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can join us for more frosty fun on his next adventure. Until next time, stay warm, stay playful and stop. Until next time, stay warm, stay playful and keep having fun. Bye for now.